A very good morning to all of you students. I am Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. And let's start our today's session with the very first subject English. As you know that we had completed our whole tier 2 and nowadays we are keep on revising our previous concept. So please bring out your English book which is there on screen, as well as you all have to carry your English notebook for the written practice. So you all be ready, then we will start our today concept. Hurry up, I am waiting for you all. Okay, let's open your book and come on your next unit. So today the unit which I'll introduce to you is your unit D, right? So you all have to come on page number 1818. As you know that in the previous session we had covered our unit C. Fine. Which words we are doing in that unit? We do the TH sound words. And what is the sound? The sound is th. What is the sound? The sound is th. And today I'll introduce to you the unit D. And here we are keep on revising the NG sound. Which sound? NG sound. So students, what is the sound it will give you? It will give you sound. What sound? Wherever the NG is in the beginning or in the end, it will give you the same sound So firstly, what we will do? We will keep on revising the vocab from your book. Okay, we will do reading of these vocab without seeing the clip arts which is given above for hint. We will only read the words today. Okay, we will not need any help with the pictures. सिर्फ आपने reading practice करनी है by reading the word. Don't see picture. Okay, so after reading those words, what we will do, we will come to this passage. We will read the whole passage to improve our reading skills and do the reading practice. After that, we will start with the writing session. Okay, so let's start. We are not going to waste our single second. So let's start. Take pencil in your hands and one by one we will read all words. So in, g. King. What is this? King. Right. Okay. The next one is ing. Ring. Next. Ing. Sing. Next. Ing. Wing. Next. Okay. Let me hide the picture first. How you will hide the pictures? You don't have to put your arm on that. You will take any of your notebook and then put it on the picture. So that is a simple way to hide the picture. Okay. So the next is ring, spring. Next one is the ring, spring. Next one is ing, swing. Here it's ing, sling, right? Okay. Here we complete these words. Now we will also provide the additional words. So there is no picture, so we will not have to hide anything, right? So the, ing, sting. Next, ing, bring. Next, ing, thing. Next, and hand. Next, song. Now, what we will do? We will read the passage. So, students, this is your task. You all have to read this passage very carefully, and you know that when earlier we will do this passage reading, so there are few words which is underlined, right? सो दोज वर्ड्स आर द एनजी वर्ड. सो यहाँ पर आपको बहुत अच्छे से फुल फोकस के साथ रीड करना है because it will give you the same sound, right? So you have to read the whole passage, and for that you have to share the videos. Okay, if video is not comfortable, so आप मैम को वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग भी सेंड कर सकते हो, बट दोनों में से कुछ भी आप शेयर करो मैंडेटरी, राइट? इट्स नॉट दैट कि आप सिर्फ रिटर्न वर्क मैम को सेंड कर दो एंड रीडिंग वर्क की आप मैम को शेयर ही नहीं करोगे, वीडियो क्लिप्स और रिकॉर्डिंग, ठीक है, तब तक आपका वर्क इनकम्प्लीट होगा। फाइन। सो जितना मैम आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं, जितना मैम आपको वन डे में कवर करवाते हैं, यू हैव टू शेयर द होल work to me. If it is oral work, so you have to share the voice recording or the video clips with me. If I am sharing the written work, so for that you have to share the picture with me. Fine. Now let's come to the written part. So for that you all have to be ready with your English note. ओके, बिकॉज रिटन पार्ट आप कहाँ पे करोगे, जो आपकी इंग्लिश नोटबुक है उसमें करोगे। सो प्लीज ओपन योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक एंड गिव अ कैप्शन ऑन टॉप, यूनिट डी टीयर 2, ठीक है, बिकॉज टुडे वी विल रिवाइज यूनिट डी। सो आप सबसे पहले ऊपर मिड में you have to give a caption, also write the date on top, whatever the date today you have to mention it on top. Fine. Let's start. Have you done with this? Okay, student. So, firstly, what we will do, we will read those words which are given in the clouds. ठीक है, ये आप देखो, colorful clouds are there. Some are yellow cloud, green, orange, blue, purple. So you also have to recognize the color because it will help to strong your color recognition. So which color is this? This is yellow color. Which color is this? Orange color. And this one blue. And this one green. So now we will see that here every cloud is having a word. So we will read all word one more time. So it's k, ing, g, king. Now we will read which cloud word? Orange color. Okay, so it's l, ing, g, sling. Now we will read purple one. So it's her and g, hang. Now green one. So it's r, ing, g, ring. Now come to the next one. It's so, a, ring, spring. So students, now we will done with the revision work, with oral work. What we will do? We will do dictation. So I am giving you dictation words. Okay. Till then you all have to write the caption on top, dictation words, and also you also have to mark the numbers below dictation. You have to mark only till 5, 1, just like this, जैसे मैम आपके कर रहे हैं, in the similar way, 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है। So today I am giving you dictation words. So hurry up, be ready, then we will start. Are you ready? Okay, done. So students, should we start? Hurry up, do it. I'm waiting for you. Okay, I hope so that now you all are ready. So I am giving you the very first dictation word. So आपने ये one, जहाँ पे आपने number one mention करा है, वहाँ पे आपको सबसे first word write down करना है. So the very first word is wing, wing. Very first word is wing, wing. You have to listen it very carefully. The very first word is wing, wing. I'm repeating one more time. It's wing, wing. So now the next word is the second word. I'm saying the second word now. So the second word is in, ring. The second word is in, ring. One more time I'm repeating. It's ring. Now the next word, the third one is king, king. Write it down. King. You have to write ing. We many more times we read the same word. many more times. So you have to read it, you have to write it correctly. The next word, the fourth word I'm saying, okay, before that I'm repeating all the words one more time, so you have to cross check your words. The very first one is were, ink, wing, okay. The second word is r, ing, ring. Now the third one is k, ing, king. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी आप डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स राइट डाउन करते हो, सो यू ऑल हैव टू फोकस ऑन साउंड. अगर आप साउंड पे फोकस करके राइट डाउन करोगे, आपकी कभी मिस्टेक नहीं होगी. बट अगर आपने स्पेलिंग्स को लर्न करा है, आपने उसकी रोट लर्निंग करी है, सो दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू कि आपके स्पेलिंग्स अभी आप लर्न कर लोगे, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम आप इसको फिर भूल जाओगे. तो नेवर डू रोट लर्निंग प्लीज. मैम ने जैसे आपको करवाया है विद द फोनिक साउंड, सो यू हैव टू डू इट इन द सेम वे. ओके, now I'm saying the fourth word now. So it's her and hand. You have to write her anger, hand. Write it down. Her anger, hand. Now the last word for you is swing. 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 The fifth word is swing. The fifth word is swing. So now again I am repeating all the words, so you all have to cross check your words. अगर आपका कोई भी मिसिंग वर्ड है जो आपने अभी तक राइट डाउन नहीं करा है, सो प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज wing. Wing. The first word is wing. Wing. The next word is ring. Ring. Third one is it's king. King. Fourth one is her anger, hand. And the last one is swing. What is the last? It's swing, right? So please complete your dictation words. After that, we will come to the next part, sentence formation. ओके, अभी तक आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा कि हाउ वी आर डूइंग ऑल द रीकैप सेशन, है ना. सबसे पहले हम ओरल प्रैक्टिस करते हैं विद योर इंग्लिश बुकलेट. देन वी विल डू द डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स. देन वी विल डू द सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन. ओके, नाउ we will do the sentence formation. So students, you can take any of the vocab from here. Even you can also take from the dictation words, and then you have to take that vocab and form a simple sentence. Okay, short sentence आप form करोगे. So I'm giving you an example. So I'm taking this one, king, right? So here I am forming the very first sentence. Her, he, he. Where we use he we use for boys or men, है ना. He is a inga, sorry, inga king. He is a king, right? So in the same way you can take any four vocab, कोई भी four vocab आप लोगे और आपने ऐसे ही sentence form करना है in a simple way. Okay, so that's your today task. You all have to complete what two tasks I'll give you. I'll give you two tasks that you all have to read the passage, share the voice recording with me. Then you have to do the sentence formation and the dictation words. Okay, so that's it for your today English session. Now you all have to complete your English task, and then we will start with our creative work. Okay, students. Now I hope so that you are done with the English book. Now you all have to open your art and craft book, which is there on screen. So please be ready with your art and craft book. I'm waiting for you all. Go hurry up and bring out your art and craft book. So students, you all have to open your book. Come on page number 9 from your booklet. Okay. So today I'll introduce you a new worksheet. Here, first of all, all have to write the date on top. Okay, date column में आपने सबसे पहले आज date mention करनी है. यहाँ पर you have to write today date on top. Also, you all have to circle the day, whatever the day today, you all have to circle it. Okay, observe the weather today, go outside, check the weather today, and circle the clip art. Fine. So this task you all have to do. I'm waiting for you. फटाफट से इसको आप complete करो. Then we will come to our main thing. Okay. So let's read the caption. What is there in the caption? So this worksheet is about painting. But which kind of painting we are doing? Do we do it with paintbrush? No, we are doing it in some other way. So today we are doing spray painting. Spray painting आज हम करेंगे. So for that we will need something. So let's talk about what material required for this. So सबसे पहले बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग द स्प्रे पेंटिंग पेंटिंग कर रहे हैं तो आपको क्या चाहिए यू विल नीड पोस्टर कलर फॉर दैट ओके सो यू कैन पिक एनी ऑफ योर फेवरेट कलर कोई भी आप कलर पिक कर सकते हो वेदर यू कैन टेक एनी वन कलर टू कलर एज पर योर चॉइस फाइन ओके सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज कलर मिक्सिंग पैलेट ठीक है तो आपके पास पैलेट है सो यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक दैट वन अदरवाइज आप कोई भी ट्रे ले सकते हो ओके तो उसके अंदर आप अच्छे से कलर को मिक्स कर सकते हो सो दैट इज ऑप्शनल इफ यू हैव सो यू कैन यूज इट अदरवाइज यू कैन टेक द ट्रे Okay, the next thing is old toothbrush. That is the must thing which you have. Okay, two basic things which you all have is poster color or the old toothbrush. ठीक है, new नहीं लेना है. You don't go to pick any of the toothbrush. Otherwise, आपको क्या पड़ेगी डांट पड़ेगी है ना सो यू ऑल हैव टू टेक द ओल्ड टूथब्रश यू हैव टू आस्क योर मम्मा दैट मम्मा प्लीज गिव मी अ टूथब्रश जो आप यूज नहीं करते हो ओके तो कुछ भी रैंडमली आपने कोई भी टूथब्रश नहीं लेना है स्टूडेंट्स अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम सेइंग द सेम थिंग ओके द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज white sheet of paper. आप white sheet of paper लोगे. Then the next thing is scissor. Scissor you must have. Okay, so what we will have to do in this task. So firstly आपने ये जो जितना भी मटेरियल यहाँ पर है ये आपने गैदर्ड करना है. You have to collect it and put it in a प्लेस ठीक है ताकि आपको इजीली वो जब भी आपको नीड हो तो यू विल गेट दैट थिंग आपको इधर उधर सर्च ना करनी पड़े आप एक जगह पर वो रख लोगे अपने पास ठीक है सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग द स्प्रे पेंटिंग सो हम कौन सी स्प्रे पेंटिंग कर रहे हैं हम आउटवर्ड स्प्रे पेंटिंग अब आप यहाँ देखो यहाँ पर आपको ये एक डिजाइन दिख रहा है दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ पिकॉक है ना पिकॉक है बट स्प्रे पेंटिंग हमने कहा कही है नॉट इनसाइड दिस पिकॉक वी आर डूइंग इट द आउटसाइड है ना तो in the same way we have to do the spray painting we are not going to do the inward spray painting we are going to do the outward spray painting तो outward spray painting हम कैसे करेंगे students you have to take any of a particular पिक्चर आप कोई भी पिक्चर लो ठीक है वेदर यू कैन टेक द पिक्चर ऑफ अ लीफ और यू कैन टेक द पिक्चर ऑफ अ फ्लावर with the help of your mama or dada whosoever is there at your home आपने उनको बोलना है कि आप प्लीज इस पिक्चर को कट करो ठीक है कोई भी आपने पिक्चर ड्रॉ करी इवन यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक दिस A4 साइज वाइट शीट इस पे आप कोई भी पिक्चर ड्रॉ करो चाहे आप ट्री की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करो या फिर आप हट की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करो वट एवर ठीक है आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो यू कैन टेक ड्रॉ अ फ्लावर ऑल्सो अब जो आपने व्हाइट शीट पर कोई भी पिक्चर ड्रॉ करी है उसको विद द हेल्प ऑफ सीजर वी हैव टू कट बट cutting task you don't have to do I'm not allowing you to cut the that picture fine so parents it's a request जो भी students ने picture draw करी है on that white A4 size sheet it's your thing that you all have to cut this picture okay so after cutting that picture you have to give to our kids fine students so this task you all have to perform today tomorrow we will do the spray painting so what task you all have to do today आपने टास्क परफॉर्म करना है सबसे पहले आपको मटेरियल गैदर करना है पुट इट एट अ सेफ प्लेस जहाँ पर आप इजीली उसको यूज कर सकते हो देन आफ्टर डूइंग दैट यू हैव टू टेक वाइट A4 साइज शीट उस पर आप कोई भी पिक्चर ड्रॉ करोगे ठीक है वेदर अ tree, whether a flower, a hut, anything of your choice. ठीक है, कोई भी डिजाइन आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो जो भी अभी तक आपको याद है, ठीक है, जो भी आप रिकॉल कर पा रहे हो, आपने उसको ड्रॉ किया. देन यू हैव टू गिव दैट शीट टू योर मम्मा और डैडा हु इज देयर एट योर होम, or you all have to ask them, request them that mama please cut this पिक्चर फॉर मी. ये जो मैंने डिजाइन यहाँ पर A4 साइज शीट पर ड्रॉ किया है, यू हैव टू कट इट फॉर मी. ठीक है, सो पेरेंट्स इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट कि आपने खुद से कटिंग करनी है. यू डोंट हैव टू गिव सीजर टू आवर किड्स और लेट देम डू द कटिंग. ओके, आई डोंट वांट कि स्टूडेंट्स किसी भी वे से हार्म हो with the help of सीजर. ओके, so this task you all have to perform by today. Tomorrow we will do the spray painting and I will guide you some steps that how you have to do the spray painting. Okay, so till this step you have to complete by today. So that's it for your today's session, students. You have to draw the design whatever you want to draw, and अपनी cutting के साथ you all have to ready by tomorrow. So that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.